quick commercial break since I'm not monetized yet. All right, yeah. So I just wanted to talk about the 3 products that I really felt helped turn this whole thing around. I'm still in the process, as you guys can see, but wow, you saw me kind of like advertise that. This stuff is the closest that you could get to a Dominican blowout. If you know, you know. But I love the shine it gives, the moisture it provides, and then also that bounce is crazy. Y'all know when I was washing my hair, I only used this product and this product. That was it at the end. This is the Redken. This is a bonding cream for the most part. This one is called Acidic Bonding Concentrate. They have a whole line, but this is what you would leave in your hair. This will repair all those split ends for the most part. Like, of course, you got to still give yourself some trims, but it'll keep it together, okay? Also, it provides a lot of moisture. I love that for me, okay? And the shine is unbelievable. So I love this Redken stuff. All this stuff you can get on Amazon for about $30 to $40, give or take, closest to 30 side. And I will have it in the description below. But most importantly, what's keeping my hair thick, because y'all know I just had my baby, is these Hum prenatal pills. I literally just take them once a day. It's a 2-step process. So basically 2 pills. You can see the pills right here. It is where it is at. If you have a subscription with Hum, and keep in mind none of these products are being sponsored, but if you do have a subscription with Hum, what they'll do is they'll discount the product. So for example, on Amazon, you might find it for about $45. Easy. For basically a 30-day supply, okay? However, if you get a subscription, you wind up getting 3 for the price of 2. Basically, you're getting 1 for free if you get 2. So it winds up being about like a little over $30, give or take. So it's my recommendation. I've still been taking it. I'm breastfeeding, so I am constantly taking my prenatal pills, but this is literally the only vitamin that I've been taking, and it has a lot of benefits in the back. Boom, boom. If you know, like I said, you know, go to their website.
Wake up and bake up this year, jump out the crib, stack up my C-note this year, killing my ego this year, all for the people this year, only believe in the real, I do believe in no fear, and I got gang in this bitch, I never switch on the tribe, I keep it all the way real, I'm in control of my feels, you see my highlights, they study my real, yeah. I'm showing more love this year, running more plays, finna scale up my business this year, the world in my palm, I'm a star, I deliver my cadence, I'm serving up chips to my peers, bringing the bread for the fam.